Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Cembra app your account has been blocked, fix it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are seeing the message your account has been blocked in the Cembra Money app, what you can do is first check for multiple failed login attempts. Now, if you have tried to log in several times with incorrect credentials, Cembra may block your account for temporary security reasons. Wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour and then try logging in. You can also reset your password if you have forgotten your password or need to regain access. What you need to do is open up the app, and then once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says forget password or reset password. Simply tap on that, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password using your email address or phone number. Once reset, try logging in with the new password. If that doesn't work, then head over back and then open up your browser, and on the search bar type in Cembra support and then tap on the first link that is shown to you. There you will be provided with the Cembra customer service number, that is 0848-809-828, and sometimes the issue could be with the app itself, so try restarting your phone as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.